Good morning, day 9. So yeah, I took the weekend and the Monday off. Went down to Waterton. So you'll probably be seeing a couple pictures at the end of the video of some of the picturesque mountains, I guess. That beam was a problem at the end of the day. That kind of made my shoulder bark at me after that swinging that sledgehammer that hard. Anyways, we'll get back at it here. We need to install one beam 8. Okay, so just bringing all the parts up here. Gonna build it up here. And so I bring all the pieces up so it ain't so heavy when I set this thing. Okay, just to go over some of this wreck, I had to drop this beam because that girder is on those walls there that are dropped 10 inches. Now, the argument is I could have moved that hanger up. The problem with moving that hanger up 10 inches is I had nothing to nail to hanger nails. So it's important it's down low, the 2x6 bottom board is. So therefore this has to go low. This beam I'm about to build was supposed to be hung off that, but I only have 4 inches left to nail this hanger into. So I'm going to raise this beam to the top of the floor system, so it'll be 18 inches up, and it's going to sit on top of that beam rather than hang on that beam. Let's get started. I hope that makes sense. Okay, let's get this guy in position. I need to mark 3 inches there because it comes off this wall 3 inches out. So if I hook on to the end of this, it's perfectly flush on the inside, 3 foot 5.5. Set that there. I'll roll it. Is. I should have took another 1.5 inches off so this post landed on the beam, but no big deal. As long as the cripples are on, we're good. That's what counts. Okay, now this top cord hung portion is 7.5. Okay, so I got to build a 2x6 stub wall on top of that beam for this. 15'6". Okay, so I'm going to lay this stub wall out now. Okay, so now this will essentially bring the beam back up to its proper height. Okay, so we want to keep this edge here flush with the beam. Now each truss should sit on one of these blocks. Now I have to bring these top cord hung up 10 inches. So I'll simply put blocks here. Okay, so now I'll put trusses that go here on the forks, and I might have to remove them by hand. We'll see. So the first one I want is SF10. It's this red girder. Okay, SF10. Okay, we're going to fur this beam up. By 6 blocks, 15 5/8, 2 times. All right, start putting all the ribbons and all that. Foot 8.5. Okay, I'm gonna pack it up. Thank you for watching. It is day 9. I believe it's April 7 or 8. Not sure. We'll see you on the next one, and I think that's day 10. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.